Nobody's ever done it. It's only been done just one time. And so that is the capability. And in order to do that, you have to understand the algorithms. You have to understand a lot about the domains of applications. You have to select it right. You have to create the right architecture for it. And then the last thing that we did right was that we realized that in order for you to have a computing platform, the applications you develop for NVIDIA should run on all NVIDIA. You shouldn't have to think, does it run on this chip? Is it going to run on that chip? It should run on every chip. It should run on every computer with NVIDIA in it. That's the reason why every single GPU that's ever been created at our company, even though we had no customers for CUDA a long time ago, we stayed committed to it. We were determined to create this computing platform since the very beginning, customers or not. And that was the pain and suffering. It cost the company decades and billions of dollars getting here. And if not for all the video gamers in the room here, we wouldn't be here. You were our day jobs. And then at night, we can go solve digital biology, go help people, with quantum chemistry, go help people with artificial intelligence and robotics and such. And so we realized, number one, that we were accelerated computing as a software problem. The second thing is AI is a data center infrastructure problem. And it's very obvious because you can't just train an AI model on a laptop. You can't train it on a cell phone. It's not big enough of a computer. The amount of data is measured in trillions of bytes. And you have to process that trillions of bytes billions of times. And so obviously that's going to be a large-scale computer distributing the problem across millions of GPUs. The reason why I say millions is 16,000, inside the 16,000 are thousands. And so we're distributing the workload across millions of processors. There are no applications in the world today that can be distributed across millions of processors. Excel works on one processor. And so that computer science problem was a giant breakthrough, an utterly giant breakthrough. And that's the reason why it enabled generative AI, enabled large language models. So we observed two things. One, accelerated computing is a software problem, algorithm problem. And AI is a data center problem. And so we're the only company that went out and built all of that stuff. And the last part that we did was a business model choice.